Android 16 is finally here for the Xperia 10-7, and it's packing more upgrades than anyone expected. If you thought this mid-ranger couldn't get any smarter, think again. After rolling out to Sony's flagship lineup, the long-awaited update is now landing on the Xperia 10-7. Today, we're breaking down the most important changes, what they mean for your daily use, and how to get the update right now. The update arrives over the air as build 72.1.A.2.65, and at around 1 GB, you'll want a solid connection before hitting download. Currently, it's rolling out across Europe and Japan, with more regions expected to follow any day now. One of the biggest additions is Modes, a new tool designed to reduce distractions. Whether you're driving, working, or trying to get a good night's rest, Modes silences notifications and optimizes your phone's behavior so you can stay focused. Think of it as a smarter, more customizable Do Not Disturb. Display quality also gets a boost with a new Recommended option, helping you strike the perfect balance between clarity, brightness, and battery life. Sony has added a refreshed way to adjust white balance, making it easier to tailor the screen's temperature to your preference. You'll also find a simpler way to turn side sense on or off, handy for those who love it and a relief for those who don't. Another subtle but useful change, you can now jump directly into your lock screen settings straight from the home screen. And if you've been curious about your battery's long-term condition, this update introduces built-in battery health information, giving you a clearer picture of how your device is aging. Screen mirroring is now even easier. The quick settings panel includes direct access to casting, making it seamless to share your content on a bigger display, perfect for videos, presentations, or gaming sessions. If you haven't received the update yet, you can check manually by heading to Settings, tapping About Phone, and selecting Software Update. If it's available for your region, it'll show up right away. With Android 16, the Xperia 10-7 gets a noticeable bump in usability, customization, and everyday convenience. If you want to see how the phone performs after the update, don't forget to check out our full review and video breakdown. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Sony updates and reviews.